Hello again. Today is part 2 of our repair on these boards here. Now what I've done here is, it's hard to see here, but right here are all these mounting pads, and that's where these posts over here have separated. Okay, so all of these areas have to be re-secured. What I'm showing you here is this Q-tip. Now, I have my own special techniques, and I can't show everybody everything, but I use a special cleaner to clean these areas because that's imperative. Otherwise, if you don't clean the area, don't even bother. And this is just some of the filth that's on that board. That's why you always have to make sure before you glue or use adhesive or solder, you've got to make sure it's surgically clean. Same goes for these posts up here. I just spend some time, and this is and clean them all. And this is just, again, another Q-tip, an example of the filth that you find on here and the grease. Look at this, right? Now, you can't have that anywhere in there. That's going to give you grief. So if you give me a moment, we'll let everything just cool down here, and then we'll put the adhesive on. Stay tuned. Hello again. So we're going to use this adhesive here. It's really quite excellent. It's a gel. So I'm just going to put a little drop. It's hard for me to do this and watch the camera at the same time, so I won't even bother. My repair is much more important than my photography, because my repair must be perfect. So we just put a little blob on these areas just to get the pins in place. Okay, everything looks happy. So I take our plate, make sure it's all happy and everything. Let's put you down for a moment. Don't worry, everything will be safe. There we go. Just back off. So now, as you can see, we have our plate on here. And the glue has to settle. So what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit overnight. Just put a bit of weight on it very gently. And then much later, once we're satisfied that this adhesive has worked, we will loosen off all of these screws here. And then we're going to lift the plate off and then make sure all of the posts are perfect. And then we will apply much more adhesive. And then we're just going to go adhesive crazy, because the way I do things is I build things like a tank. And I'm going to make sure these boards don't come off again. Anyways, thank you for your time and your interest, and have a good one.